Dr. Goddard's first flight took off in Auburn and landed in Auburn.
The rocket took off in Auburn. What am I getting you to think? It's going far. If I just said the rocket took off in Auburn and landed in Auburn, not funny. I didn't create an expectation. Same exact words. Words, material, and delivery. Create that expectation and change the direction. So that's what we're going to do. New comedians never turn down stage time. Stage time, stage time, stage time. My comedy mentors taught me any day that you don't get on stage is a day that you don't grow. When they told me that, I was like, well, wait a minute, what do you mean? But what if I bomb? What if I don't do well? They said, no. If you don't go up, you're not going to get better. If you do go up, you'll be better next week. He says, take my wife. But what he says and how he says it gets you to think he's going to say something else. What do you think he's trying to get you to think?
For example.
Exactly. For example or for instance. See, if we don't create that expectation, go in that direction, there is no change of direction. Setup is creating the expectation. Punchline is change in direction. So number one, am I present? Am I right here, right now with these people? Forget about your problems. They'll be there when you're done, I promise. Some of them will be bigger. But right now, this is your opportunity to influence. So, am I present? Number two, what is my intent? What's my intent? And your intent should be audience-focused, not self-focused. What's your intent for them? Number three, will I have fun? Sounds a little weird, but if you want your audience to have fun, they're never going to have fun until you first have fun. All right, so if you remember nothing else, remember these three things. Stage time, stage time, stage time.
I learned that there's formulas for joke telling, and I had never heard of them before, so I look forward to possibly using them, or well, actually not possibly, I'm going to try to use them in my future speeches.
Will you be giving jokes from here on out?
I give jokes all the time. I'm a natural.
These are funny guys.
Right.
He's a natural.
Yes, he is.
Yeah. My mom's been calling me nutty since I was a kid, so I think I can actually start trying to hone this stuff in and make it do something else. So,
All right.
You know how it is.
What about you? Did you enjoy tonight? Tell me about it.
I thought it was a lot more than what I expected. I didn't realize we were going to get the tools we got, and the tools made a lot of sense. So I'm not a funny person at all, so I'm looking forward to maybe making somebody laugh in one of our meetings.
His speech was awesome. I learned a lot of tricks of how to create fun conversations with for people, so I can make people laugh. Yeah. Before I thought it's like more like a talent thing, but now I think it's something you can learn, you can practice. Yeah. And I think it also goes into the general presentation, right? If you just keep practicing it, it will go better and better. So I guess in my next Toastmaster meeting, I will give a speech and practice it, do it again, right? And listen to my videos. I never do that because I know it sucks.
Yes, this class was amazing. I got so much information out of it. I recommend Darren. I'm signing up for the class, and I'm going to take him to the airport tomorrow to learn more. So this is an amazing way to spend my evening Friday night. So yes.